Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendier Fashion. How are you doing guys? Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get me all new notification of my videos and channel. I know you are waiting for my next beautiful video. So guys, I'm here again with one of your favorite topic. So let's get started. Today I'm showing you latest beautiful gorgeous short stacked hairstyles. These hairstyles are really beautiful on trending and in fashion. As you know, these hairstyles, stacked hairstyles, bob hairstyles are on trending and make the personality more gorgeous and more beautiful. Every girl want to get this kind of short haircut. So I'm showing you in this video all type of haircuts which are on trending. These haircuts will inspire you to get your next haircut. Well, with these haircuts I'm showing you also beautiful hair colors. You can take these hairstyles with fashion colors, with streakings, with balayage colors. I'm showing you all type of haircuts with fashion color and with simple base colors and with streaking. You can see how beautiful these haircuts are looking with fashion color, with streaking colors. You can take these haircut ideas with chocolate brown color, ash color, streakings, with highlights. Well, if you don't like to color your hairs, you can get this hairstyle without any color with one shade. You can go on with one shade or base color. It will be chocolate brown, jet black. It's depend on you which color and which hairstyle you like for yourself and according to your personality which suits you. While no doubt these short haircuts are on trending and suits every girl. If you are college going girl, office going girl, job girl, you can adopt these hairstyles easily. No doubt, beautiful hairstyles make the personality beautiful and also change the. No doubt, beautiful haircuts and hairstyles change the personality in good looking. No doubt, best hairstyles, best haircuts change the personality and enhance the beauty of personality. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way you can get one of your favorite hairstyle and hair color. In this video you can take screenshot of it and also can save the video. After it you will go to salon to take these hairstyles as well. Well, let me know also which hairstyle you select for yourself and with which color. If you like my effort, then don't forget to share my video to your friends, family members, and social contacts. In this way, they also can know about the latest fashion of hairstyles. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. These all hairstyles are really gorgeous that I'm showing you in this video. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your and other topic favorite. Till then, take yourselves, keep sharing, keep watching, and keep supporting. Stay blessed, stay happy. God bless you all. Have a great hair day.